D963 is the largest thicknesser from the FELDER range, providing unmatched strength and stability and yielding the highest quality results with ease and precision. The D963 has a thicknessing width of 630mm to provide the maximum capacity available from the FELDER group, equalled only by the top of the range Format 4 Exact 63. The thicknessing height can be set from 3 to 300mm and offers a maximum depth of cut of 8mm. As standard, the D963 features two hard-wearing steel rollers that sit on either side of the cutter block, with the option to swap them for rubber infeed and outfeed rollers with an added sectional pressure bar for processing very thin workpieces or pieces with varying thicknesses. The FELDER system cutter block has guaranteed outstanding results for decades. Resin-free locking screws and the self-setting knives make it possible to change the blades in minutes, making time-consuming adjustments and expensive setting gauges a thing of the past. For even better results, the D963 can be specified with the award-winning Silent Power Spiral Cutter Block, which is exclusive to planers and thicknessers from the FELDER group, and features a spiral array of 95 four-sided tungsten carbide knives, which provide a continuous pulling cut for tear-free results on all types of wood. Each planer knife can be turned when required to access a fresh cutting edge, extending the overall blade life by up to 20 times versus the standard planer blades. On top of this, noise emissions are reduced by as much as half, and the machine produces smaller chippings that fill the dust bag more densely, meaning fewer stops to change the bags are needed. The hood has been designed for optimal extraction, and the machine features a 160mm extraction port. The FELDER D963 is powerful and efficient, offering industrial performance via its 10 or 13.5 horsepower motor options, which can handle the most demanding of requirements. Controls for the D963 are fully automatic and are located on the operating panel at the front of the machine. The power drive system has a cleanly laid out interface, which allows control of the thicknessing height by twisting the knob, with fine adjustments in increments of 1/10 of a millimeter made with the button. The value is clearly displayed on the integrated LED display, and with a turn of the switch you can engage or disengage the feed rollers. The adjacent dial controls the variable feed speed, which can be set from 4 to 16 meters per minute and guarantees a continuous and consistent thicknessing result. The D963 can be made even more efficient with the addition of the DigiDrive system, which features a number pad to allow your dimension to be entered and automatically sets the thicknesser table to this position. Additional features of the DigiDrive system include an incremental position function and 4 programmable thicknesser table positions. Table extensions can be added to ease processing of multiple or long workpieces, and further options include a height-adjustable scissor table for even more convenience, as well as an automatic lubricant applicator on the table infeed and the addition of integrated adjustable rollers to the thicknesser table to aid in the processing of workpieces with high resin or moisture content. The FELDER D963 is a powerhouse of a thicknesser that has been optimized specifically for high performance and heavy-duty use. Precisely manufactured with self-setting blades, the machine requires no expensive adjusting tools to be purchased and is easy to maintain and operate, producing outstanding results. To find out more about the FELDER D963 and to see how a range of machines from the FELDER group could revolutionize your workshop, visit felder-group.com.